What do you do when you need to go back and review those documents, photos, or videos? Where is iCloud Backup located? Here's a breakdown of how to access iCloud from PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android. Part 1. How to access iCloud from PC. Method 1. Using iCloud for Windows app. Install iCloud for Windows from Microsoft Store. Sign in with Apple ID. Choose Services Drive, Photos, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, Tasks. Manage iCloud files on PC. Method 2. Using a web browser. Open browser. Go to iCloud.com. Log in with Apple ID. Access Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Photos, iCloud Drive, Notes via the web. Manage data, view photos, and access documents online. Part 2. How to check iCloud on Mac. Click Apple logo. Choose System Preferences. Access Apple ID or iCloud. Manage features and sync preferences for Drive, Photos, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. Navigate sidebar for service settings. Manage iCloud storage through Manage in bottom right. Part 3. How to view iCloud on iPhone, iPad. Open Settings. Tap your name. Select iCloud. Toggle switches to sync apps. For Photos, use Photos app. For iCloud Drive, use Files app. Browse iCloud Drive. If not visible, enable in Files app settings. Part 4. How to get to iCloud on Android devices. Open a web browser on your Android device. Go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. You can now access your iCloud data online, including your photos, files, and other sync data. Part 5. How to access iCloud by Doctor for iOS. If you want to continue downloading iCloud backup files to your computer's local disk, you will find that these methods will not work. Mobican Doctor for iOS not only allows you to access iCloud backup on PC or Mac, but also preview and restore data. Step 1. Select Recover from iCloud. Step 2. Scan iCloud backup file. Step 3. Save iCloud data on your computer.